Hello and welcome to Learnify TV. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of modern airplanes and discover the technology that makes them fly. From the physics behind lift and drag to the complex systems that control a modern aircraft, we will take a deep dive into the world of aviation. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a high-flying adventure. Brief history of aeroplanes. The history of airplanes dates back to the 18th century, when the first experiments with flying machines were carried out. Over the years, the technology has advanced significantly, with the Wright brothers making the first powered flight in 1903. Since then, airplanes have come a long way, from the biplanes of the early 20th century to the modern airliners of today. The four forces of flight. Before we can understand how modern airplanes fly, we need to understand the four forces of flight: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift is the upward force that keeps an airplane in the air, while weight is the downward force that acts on the aircraft. Thrust is the force that propels the airplane forward, and drag is the force that opposes motion through the air. How airplanes generate lift. Now that we understand the four forces of flight, let's take a closer look at how airplanes generate lift. The most important factor is the shape of the wing, which is designed to create a curved surface that creates a pressure difference between the top and bottom of the wing. This pressure difference generates lift, which keeps the airplane in the air. The role of engines in flight. Modern airplanes are powered by jet engines, which provide the necessary thrust to propel the aircraft forward. These engines work by sucking in air from the atmosphere, compressing it, and then igniting it with fuel to create a powerful thrust. The thrust generated by the engines must be greater than the drag acting on the aircraft to keep it moving forward. Navigation and control systems. Flying an airplane requires precise navigation and control systems to ensure safety and efficiency. These systems include the cockpit instruments, autopilot, radar, and navigation aids such as GPS. The pilot must constantly monitor these systems to ensure that the aircraft is on course and in control. Airplane maintenance and safety. Keeping an airplane in top condition is essential for safety and reliability. Regular maintenance checks are carried out to ensure that all systems are working correctly and that the aircraft is airworthy. Safety is also a top priority, with rigorous training and safety procedures in place to minimize the risk of accidents. Future of aviation. As technology continues to advance, the future of aviation looks bright. New materials and designs are being developed that promise to make airplanes lighter, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. The use of artificial intelligence and automation in aviation is also expected to increase, further improving safety and efficiency. In conclusion, we hope that you have enjoyed learning about how modern airplanes fly. From the four forces of flight to the complex systems that control an aircraft, there is a lot that goes into making flight possible. We encourage you to continue exploring the fascinating world of aviation, and we look forward to seeing you again on Learnify TV.